Hello everyone, welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel where we provide reviews of various software and products. In this video, we are going to review Wise Registry Cleaner, which is a popular registry cleaner software used by many people to optimize their Windows operating system. Wise Registry Cleaner is a lightweight software that can scan your registry for various errors and junk files. It can detect and repair problems related to missing references, shared DLLs, application paths, startup programs, and more. The software can also defragment your registry, which can improve the overall performance of your computer. One of the best things about Wise Registry Cleaner is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for anyone to use. The software has both a quick scan and a deep scan option, which allows you to choose the level of scanning based on your needs. The software also has a backup and restore option, which allows you to restore your registry to a previous state if anything goes wrong. In our testing, we found that Wise Registry Cleaner was able to detect and fix a variety of registry errors on our test system. We also found that the software was able to speed up the system by removing junk files and optimizing the registry. Overall, we were impressed with the performance of Wise Registry Cleaner. However, it's important to note that registry cleaners are not a magic solution to all your computer problems. If you have serious issues with your operating system, a registry cleaner may not be able to fix them. Additionally, registry cleaners can sometimes make your system worse if used incorrectly, so it's important to use them with caution. Wise Registry Cleaner is a reliable and effective registry cleaner that can help improve the performance of your computer. It's easy to use and has a variety of features that make it a great choice for anyone looking to optimize their Windows operating system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials. Let's talk about some additional benefits of using Wise Registry Cleaner. Firstly, Wise Registry Cleaner offers a free version of the software, which is great for anyone on a budget. The free version has most of the features of the paid version, but with some limitations. However, even the free version of the software is powerful enough to provide significant improvements to your system's performance. Secondly, Wise Registry Cleaner is regularly updated with new features and bug fixes, which shows that the developers are dedicated to improving the software. This means that you can trust the software to keep up with the latest changes in the Windows operating system and provide reliable performance improvements. Lastly, Wise Registry Cleaner has a built-in scheduler that allows you to automatically scan and clean your registry at a specified time. This feature can be especially useful for busy individuals who may not have time to manually run the software every day. Overall, Wise Registry Cleaner is a reliable and effective registry cleaner software that can help improve the performance of your computer. Its user-friendly interface, backup and restore option, and powerful scanning and cleaning features make it a great choice for anyone looking to optimize their Windows operating system. We hope that you found this video on Wise Registry Cleaner informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, product reviews, and tutorials, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, Chennai 98. By subscribing, you will be notified of new videos as soon as they are released.